Good morning everyone. I am Arpita Rath, presently studying at Masterminds Institute, Guntur branch. So I have been here from the past 3 months and you all must know that I belong to MBPC background. So obviously I did not have any basic knowledge that a common MEC or CC student has. But still I wanted to pursue CA as my career. The main reason is that because CA is a course which is very professional, full of opportunities, is different from the others. It is the only course that provides opportunities. The work, the service that a CA does is different from that of others. So when I said my parents and relatives about it, they obviously scared me by saying that it's a very difficult course, you should not do it, it's for boys, you're risking your life because there is no chance, means it may or may not happen, that's why. But let me tell you, it's nothing like that. It's not a difficult course, it's just a different course. But to be honest, even I was not that sure about pursuing this course because obviously I don't have any basic knowledge. But that's when Masterminds Institute came into force. The way the faculties teach everything, they taught everything to us from the basics that helped us in gaining the basic knowledge very properly. So now I'm very confident about pursuing this course, and all the credits and thanks to Masterminds Institution. Thank you.